Hilly Chilli, man. What the hell? Yeah.
I'm waiting on you. Yeah. You go on ahead, bud.
Okay. Going on that Beans and Franks for those who want to come with. No. Woo! Woo! Whoosh! Starring Ivan. Smile.
Hey.
Touring the brewery for my YouTube girls.
Oh, there you go.
Give him 5. Hands up. Yeah, yeah.
Pretty sweet.
Hard as shit for me.
Yeah? Dude, how many times have you been out here?
So many.
Yeah? Well, it's true, we did get quite a bit of snow, so
Yeah.
it was pretty...
It's so darn slippery.
Right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
You're continuing my YouTube video.
Nice, right on. I'll have to follow you. A couple of the A-lines.
Oh, sweet.
It was adventurous.
Totally.
Almost. Oh, I did crash. Like, I ate a tree. Well, I ate 2 trees.
I ate the snow.
Dude, yeah, it was definitely like scary looking, but
I started snow plowing going down it the second time. And I was just shooting straight to the edge.
you just gotta, you just gotta, I mean, not skid. If you don't skid, you're 100% good.
So you just... I'll get some. So,
Well, I have something you should sell to your local.
Nice. This guy struck out, is it Beans and Franks, the first
Yeah.
black section there that was not groomed?
Right.
And he was the first guy who
make
struck out on
it
the
was
trail.
totally screwed up, man.
So,
I didn't have you on video stuff.
yeah, thanks for coming out. Thanks for sporting the trail. Woo!
Yep.
Yeah.
I gave 40. Now you do it too, viewers.
Yep.